front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for this pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. Now confirm your choice by hitting remove in the second one. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display and clicking widgets at the bottom between icons and layout. Now it's time to scroll down and look for Google app. When you find it, hold Google search bar, drag it to the proper place, and when you're ready, let go. Then hit done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!